Right, okay, so I just wanted to do a little bit of an assessment of the actual damage that was preventing my old Easythreed X1 extruder and Hotend from working. And if you can see right about here, we've got all filament that has pushed its way from between the PTFE tubing and the nozzle and the Hotend. So that there is all that, I mean, even though it's not been on or anything for literally maybe a month and a half, that's actually still sticky and gooey. We've then also got underneath, obviously normally there would have been the heat guard, heat insulation protection around this nozzle bit here, but you can also see that there is also the same leaking and oozing around the thermistor and heating element. And then if you have a look actually at the extruder gears themselves, I don't know how well this is actually going to show up on film, but there's actually all broken shards of shavings of what could possibly be metal off the extruder toothed gear itself, on the basis of the fact that there's none round on the opposite side, round this side, round just the idler pulley as opposed to the tooth pulley. If we flip it over, I'll say there's a little bit of discoloration actually on the 28 BYJ stepper motor itself, which I would assume would be from where the where it's basically in effect burnt itself out trying to force filament through. When if you notice, I say it's forced its way back up. It's pushed the PTFE tubing up and away from, so there's not a seal here anymore. So basically, it's then trying to force filament down when it's then getting blocked here, and therefore not getting through to any of this bit down here. Which is why even increasing temperature through Prontoface didn't fix the problem, because it was like none of this filament was even getting to anywhere near to the Hotend.